everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking Vinegar 101 and I'm talking about white wine vinegar. And I actually have two bottles here to show you. This is a pasteurized white wine vinegar that's been filtered. Okay, this is an organic white wine vinegar that has not been filtered. It's organic and it actually has the mother in there, and you can see that this one is clear and this one is kind of cloudy and amber colored. So there is a difference, and we can find different types on the grocery store shelves if we look for them. The flavor of white wine vinegar can range from being mild to very, very tangy depending upon the type of wine that was used in making it. It's usually pale in color and has a mild flavor though. It's often used in French and Mediterranean cuisines. The best uses for white wine vinegar, it's great in vinaigrette dressings, in vegetable dishes, in soups and stews, and in making pickled vegetables, and in cooking meats and fish as well. Now, if you have some food sensitivities, if you're sensitive to gluten, white wine vinegar should be no problem. It's naturally going to be gluten-free. However, if you have a problem with sulfites, any wine vinegar is going to have naturally occurring sulfites in them. Chances are they do not have added sulfites to them, but if you're sensitive, do check the label. We don't react the same way to added sulfites as naturally occurring ones. Usually the naturally occurring sulfites are not a problem. So if you have a problem with them, do check the label and make sure it's a safe product for you to consume. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below in the comment section. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.